Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on Unibot Solana. So how you can use Unibot on Solana. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So if you have never used Unibot for Solana, which is now known as Trojan bot on Solana, then I will put the link of its invitation down in the description box. So you just have to click on the link and then you will be landed on this type of page. Here, if you haven't already downloaded the Telegram desktop application in your device, then you can click on this download button and then you just have to install it. Afterwards, you need to click on the send message button and then select the option of open Telegram desktop. Once done, you will be landed on the Unibot on Solana page where you will have to click on the start button. You can also follow the same steps in your mobile device as well. So if you have the application, then you just have to follow the same steps in order to access the Unibot on Solana bot. Now once you are on this page and when you click on the start button, you will notice that it has created a Solana bot for me. So if I tap on this address, then it will be copied on the clipboard, and now I can use this wallet address in order to add some Solana balance into my wallet. Now here you will be able to see various options like buy, sell, positions, limit orders, TC, etc. And in this video we are going to view all of them one by one. So first, if you click on the buy option, then it will ask you to enter the token symbol or the address that you want to buy. So in order to find the token that you want to buy, you just have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to search for DEX screener. Once done, you will be shown this first link of dexscreener.com. So you will have to click on it and you will be landed on the official website of dexscreener.com. Here you will have to click on Solana and you will be able to see all of the coins that are based on the Solana network. So you just have to select any of the tokens that you want. So let's say I want this particular token which says PopCat. So I'll simply click on it. Here you will be able to see its address that you need to copy. So you need to copy it from here, then you need to come back to Telegram and you need to paste the address in this section. Once done, it will show you the details relating to the token that we have just entered. So it is the PopCat token and it is showing me the balance that I have and the current price of the token that we have selected, its liquidity pool and market cap. So here I currently don't have the sufficient balance in my account, but if you have it, then you will be able to see various presets relating to the purchasing of this coin. So you just have to select the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase the coin, and your order will be placed and you are going to get it in your account. Now here similarly you are going to see this sell button. So if you click on sell, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see all of your openings or all of the coins that you have. So you just have to select that particular token which you want to sell, and after that you just have to select or give it the percentage in the input and it will sell that much amount of percentage from your account. Next you will be able to see the option of positions. So if you click on positions, you will be able to see all of the positions that you have made on Unibot, whether it is a buying position or copy trading position or any of the selling positions. Next we have the option of limit orders. So as its name suggests, with the help of limit order you can purchase any of the tokens at a specific price. So let's say I want to purchase this particular coin over here at the trigger price. Next we have the option of limit orders. So what limit order does is it helps you to purchase any of the tokens at a specific price that you want. So as you can see over here that this is my currently active limit order, but if I want to close it, then I simply click on the close all button and it has closed my position over here. So if you want to make the position in the limit orders, then you will have to select the buy option and there you will be able to see limit orders and the DC orders as well. Next option that we have is DCA orders. So with the help of DCA, you can purchase the same amount within intervals. For example, you want to spend 0.1 Solana every single week in order to purchase a particular coin, then it simply means that you are doing DCA in that particular order. So again, if you click on the buy option, you will be able to see the options of limit orders as well as DC orders, so you can choose any of these as you want. Next, if you want to do copy trading on Unibot, then you will have to select the copy trading option, then click on the new option. Here you will have to provide the target wallet. So the target wallet will be the wallet address of that particular trader whom you are going to copy. So you can use Dex Screener in order to find the addresses. So you will have to come back to Dex Screener again, and here once you select any of the tokens, you are going to see this top traders section where you will be able to see all of the top traders. So you just have to select that particular trader whom you want to copy, and in order to find their address you will have to click on this arrow button. Then you will be landed on Soul Scan where you are going to see their account, and here you will be able to see their address. So you just have to copy their wallet address from here, then come back here and click on target wallet. After that you need to provide the target wallet address, and as you can see over here that it has taken the target wallet address that I have given to it. For the sake of tag, so tag is basically giving the name to your trading. So if you have any of the positions, then you can differentiate them with the help of tags by giving them different types of tags name. Then it will have the option of buy percentage, which will be set on 100%. But what I would recommend you doing is, if you are new and if you are starting out, then instead of 100% you just have to start with 1 to 10%, or you can go with maximum 15 or 20%, but not more than that. Once you become pro into using the Unibot, then you can start using with 50% or 100%. So you just have to click on the 100% option, and then you will have to just give it the input as 10%. Then as you can see that instead of 100% it is now at 10%. Then the copy sell option will be checked, so you just have to keep it as it is. You don't need to change anything into it. Then you will be able to see the buy gas and the sell gas option. So if you want to change these inputs as well, then you can even click on that, and after that you just have to enter the desired amount of yours. Then in the slippage percentage it will be set on 15%, and I would recommend you to set it on 15% only. Then auto sell option will be set on no. So if you want to use copy trading for auto sell as well, then you will have to check this box, and once it turns green it simply means that the auto sell is now available. Now here you will have to click on the add button, and as you can see over here that this is my 5th copy trading position. As it is green, it simply means that it is currently active, and all of the orange positions are now paused. So if you want to resume them all, then you will have to click on pause all option, and as you can see that all of these are paused. But if you want to resume them, then you just have to click on them, and if you want to resume tab, and then you will have to click on the pause tab, and it will show you the green button, which simply means that it is active. If you want to delete any of your copy trading position, then simply select the position and click on the delete button. So this was the option of copy trading. Now we just have to come back on the main menu. Here you will be able to see the LP sniper option, but this option is currently not available as they will include this option after some time. Here you will be able to see the new pairs option. So if you click on new pairs, it will show you all of the new pairs that are available. So if you want to trade into these, then you can use this feature. It will also showing you the upcoming launches. So if you want to know more about what are the upcoming launches, then it will give you the list, and you can use this feature in order to access or in order to get these tokens as soon as they are launched. Now if we go back, then you are going to see the settings. So if you click on the settings option, you will be able to see these types of settings. I will make a separate video on the Unibot settings, but for the sake of this video you can use the settings that I have enabled. If you have any other settings, then you can also use that as well. Now if we go back, then you will be able to see the bridge option. So if you want to use their bridging features, then simply click on the bridge option. Then it will show you your Solana wallet address and your Ethereum wallet address and the associated balance that you have. the minimum bridge amount is 0.0288, so you need to make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your account in order to make the bridge. So then it will show you whether you want to make it cheapest or fastest, so you can choose any of the options as you want, but I would recommend you to use it at cheapest. So basically, with the help of Unibot, you can also access the bridge feature, and you can bridge from Ethereum to Solana. Now if we go back and click on the withdraw button, so you can select the wallet from which you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw from Ethereum, so after selecting it, it will show you how many Ethereums that you have. So you just have to follow further on screen instructions. Basically, you need to provide the destination address where you want to withdraw your Ethereum, and this way you will be able to withdraw your Ethereum or your Solana from Unibot. Now if we come back to the main menu, then you will be able to see that we have covered all of the options that are associated with Unibot. Still, while doing any of the transactions, if you face any of the problems, then you can click on the help button, and then you will be able to see their terms and services page and various others leading team handles, so you can directly contact to the team members of this boat. Next we have some these boats as well, like Paris, Helenus, Hector. So these are the boats that you can use alternatively. So for example, if you want to make the transaction fast, but for any reason the boat that you are using is not working properly, then you can select any of the boats again, and it will redirect you on the Trojan boat of that particular boat that you have selected. Then you will have to click on start, and it will import the information here as well, and you can start trading on this boat for basically fast transactions. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to use the link that is given in the description. It would be really helpful for the channel and for the future videos that I create. Thank you so much for watching.